walking into a store or a restaurant and getting denied of their services because they believe that you go against their religious beliefs. Today I'll be talking about the Religious Freedom Restoration Act of 1993 and how that affects the companies around America. This map shows all the green states are states that this is fully passed as a legal law, and then the yellow states, or yellow states, are where it's partially it's up to the company on what the decision is. And as Congress states this law as it prohibits any agency, department, or official of the United States or any state from substantially burdening a person's exercise of religion, even if the burden results from a rule of general applicability, except that of the government, may burden a person's exercise of religion only if it demonstrates that application of the burden to the person. And another trustworthy source would be the American Bar Association, and they state it as, it remains to be seen how the state Religious Freedom Restoration Act laws may be used by religious people to shield themselves from laws they find morally objectionable, whether in the case of Obamacare or in the case of LGBT rights violations. Two examples of this act in America would be a local baker in Denver, Colorado named Masterpiece Cake Shop is a very religious company and organization. Amy Howe is a reporter from The Conversation, and she explained the incidents. The owner of the cake shop, Jack Phillips, he refused a gay couple who walked in to design them a cake for their wedding. And as a Christian, being gay is against their religion. And also as a Christian, he closes the cake shop on Sundays he feels the need that Sundays are for family and to worship their God and everything. So he closes the cake shop on Sundays, and he refuses to design cakes that go against his beliefs, such as cakes that influence alcohol and Halloween themed cakes, and also cakes that celebrate divorce. And nothing ended up happening in this lawsuit because the gay couple ended up filing a lawsuit against them in court, and nothing ended up happening because this act has already been in place. Another example of this is the Burwell versus Hobby Lobby stores. Hobby Lobby stores is a Christian faith-based organization, and on September 12, 2012, the Greens, who are the owners of Hobby Lobby stores, they sued Kathleen Sebelius, who is the Secretary of the Department of Health, and they sued her to challenge the health requirement for the use of contraceptions, and this type of contraception would be the abortion pill, since as a Christian it's against your religious belief to use abortion. And the Green family ended up winning the lawsuit in a 5-4 favor their way. And the final saying from the court was, the Religious Freedom Restoration Act allows for-profit companies to deny contraception coverage to employees based on a religious objection. And after talking about that, I have some questions for you guys. The first one is, what do you think about the Religious Freedom Restoration Act? Yes, Austin.
I believe that it should be fully instated in all the states or none of the states.
Anybody else?
Thank you.
The next one, why or why not do you agree with what the act says? Yes.
In talking about the guy who wouldn't make the cake for the gay couple,
Mm-hmm.
I have friends on the LGBT spectrum, and I don't agree with that because I just feel personally offended.
Yeah, I guess for the fourth question, do you believe that this act is socially acceptable in today's world? Do you go against that, since you believe that? Yes,
I
Austin?
do not believe that it is socially acceptable in today's world because people are soft.
Okay. Anybody else?
Why don't you say a little bit more about that? Don't just drop that bomb and then leave it there.
There are many people who cannot take, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, I just don't believe a lot of people can take criticism nowadays without fighting it. And there's always something to fight about, in my opinion. I'm not trying to offend anybody.
Okay, thank you.